meaning what? The heart will be stopped beating now. Yeah, lastly, the letter C. No, the letter C. Compress. How you compress? Later we'll show you. Okay, this is the acronym for CPR. One-man CPR. Okay, first the letter D. Check for danger. Okay, look around. Is there any danger? No danger. Then you kneel down nearest to the casualty. Okay. You check for what? Letter R? Respond. Check for response. Okay. Okay. At least 3 times. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? No response, what you do? What you do? No response.
Call.
Okay. If you are alone, make that call. If there's so many people here, ask them to ask them lah. Okay. Okay. This is how you shout.
You call 995 for ambulance. You get an ED.
Remember just these two. Call 995 for ambulance. You must specify. Don't just call 995. Later the operator will send the whole station down. Send pumper and everything down. Because you don't specify. Let's say you call 995 for ambulance will come very fast. Okay, now? Okay. Then get AED. Now AED is a lot. Everywhere you can find. Okay, for the letter S. Now letter A. Look carefully, this is a little bit. You have to tilt the head, okay, lift the chin, look inside the mouth, okay. If you see anything blocked, then you dig out. Okay, let's say you see nothing, continue the next letter. Letter what? B. Okay, check the breathing. This is how you check the breathing. Okay, put your ear here, around the nose or mouth, okay, of the casualty. Look at the chest for any movement. Okay, then after that, confirm. No breathing, what you do? Then you start the compression. Look here, how you put the heel of your palm. Show them the heel. Okay, the heel of your palm. You don't put flat like that. The heel, you tilt a bit. Is the heel that is very useful. Where do you put? You see how you locate where to put the heel of the palm. You start using your ring fingers. You trace the outline of the rib cage here. Then you read a notch here. There's a solar plexus here. Stop. 2 fingers above the ring finger just now. Okay. So then you put the heel of your palm above that 2 fingers. Okay, now? Clear? Because this one you have to be, you have to put in a correct position or location. Otherwise what? You can break the here. Okay, if let's say you pump so hard, you hear a cracking sound. Do you stop or not? No, right, you continue. It's always live over limb. Remember? After all, it's not your bone. Or sometimes you make a mistake. Okay, you make a mistake. Instead of putting here, you put here, short break. So just say sorry, put it back. But remember, cracking sound don't ever stop. Continue. Okay. Look, the timing will be something like this. Okay. Once you're done, straighten your elbow. Look, straighten your elbow. Your knee raise up, lean slightly forward. Okay, that means your head must cross over the casualty victim. You use your body weight. Don't use your wrist power or your arm power. Use your body weight. Okay, the timing will be like this. Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30. What you do after 30? Auto ventilation. Okay, for this case, just blow by the side, but you have to tilt the head. Pinch the nose. That means the nose you must pinch. Close. Then your mouth must cover the casualty mouth fully. But for this demo, just blow by the side. But still you have to take the head and pinch the nose. Okay, blow 2 times. Okay, every one blow must be lasting for 1 second. Then go up another 1 second, down another second. Then between the nose and the back to the chest is about 2 seconds. Don't delay. Okay. Now back. Okay. Let's say this is the last or cycle number 5. We have to do 5 cycles. Okay. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20. 2 and 3 and 4 and 25. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30. Okay, remember this cycle number 5. So what you do after cycle number 5?
Blue.
No, after the blue, complete the cycle. What you do? Check for the reading. Okay, remember? Okay, let's say you check. There's no reading. What you do? Continue CPR until you yourself collapse. So remember, must continue. Okay, now listen. What happens if there's reading? Let's say you check for reading. What you do?
Start.
Pull him into a recovery position. This is how you do it. Okay, pull towards you. The hand must stretch out. The face how the face be on the upper arm. Cannot like that. Then you pull one leg up okay, to rest, recovery position. Remember, if there's no breathing, you must continue. Don't ever stop until the arrival of the medic. Or someone here just say he's a doctor. Then he can check the pulse. No pulse, I mean he can pronounce. The guy
Die.
We cannot. So any question you like to ask? Okay, now before you start, there's a certain concept. Okay, in Singapore we try to simplify. Meaning what? You don't have to do the two breathing. Just pump. Just pump. Because in Singapore, head can come very fast. Within 8 minutes. That is our response time. You can just pump in Singapore. But this one is